Artoonza.
Wow alert! Nail polish and alphabets. That's basically Fashion Week for letters. In today's totally trendy tutorial, we're drawing A to Z in the magical Artoonza font, then painting each one with glitter, sprinkles, metallics, and matte madness. It's like the alphabet got a spa day and came back fabulous.
Aww,
So grab your markers, grab your nail polish. Yes, seriously, but wait. Check with your mom first, so she doesn't come put me in the naughty corner. And get ready to spell your way into Sparkle Town. We're learning, coloring, and laughing all the way to Zoom! Give us a big thumbs up. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. A is for amazing apples that do ballet in tutus. Boom! B is for bouncy bananas that giggle when tickled. Jiggle jump!
Aww, so cute.
C is for cool cats that wear glitter shades at night. Purzing! D is for dancing donuts with jelly bean shoes. Crinkle pop! E is for excited elephants on roller skates. Trumpet twirl. Give us your like. F is for flying French fries doing flips. Zip zap zoom. G is for giggling glitter that sneezes sparkles. Sparkle sneeze.
Aww, so cute.
H is for hopping hot dogs with rainbow ketchup dance moves. Squiggle wiggle. I is for ice cream igloos that melt in giggle puddles. Drip drizzle. J is for jellyfish jumps over jiggly juice. Blubble bounce. K is for kooky koalas tap dancing in tutus. Toe tap tickle. L is for laughing lollipops with googly eyes. Candy crackle.
Aww, so cute.
M is for marching marshmallows, singing silly songs. Squish hum. N is for nutty noodles doing ninja kicks. Zing-zapow. Smash that like button now. O is for outrageous oranges playing hide and squeeze. Squeeze-eek! P is for popping pickles in sparkly pajamas. Burpity-bop. Q is for quirky quackers bouncing on bubblegum. Bounce-a-bubble!
Aww, so cute.
R is for rocket raviolis zooming with cheese trails. Whoosh fizz! S is for silly sandwiches doing the salsa snap shake. T is for ticklish tacos with jelly socks. Tootsie giggle! U is for upside-down umbrellas catching giggles. Flip-flop fall! V is for vanishing veggies playing peekaboo. Peek puff!
Aww, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. W is for wiggly waffles boogieing on syrup trampolines. Wobble wiggle! X is for extreme xylophones that bounce to beatboxing. Bong bang bop! W is for yummy yogurt sliding on rainbow ramps. Swirly slurp! Z is for zany zebras painting polka dots on the moon. Galaxy giggle. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.